Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and in today's session, based on time and work, all the questions asked in the last 2-3 years, I am going to welcome you. So please do join in one session today. Only we will complete all the questions which is being asked from time and work in the past 2-3 years. Okay, so that would be a good deal. Please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. I hope it is clearly audible, visible as well. So, this is about SAFALTA batch. I will tell you this in the later. First, start doing the questions. Guys. This is the first question of the day. A very good evening to all, guys. A very good evening to all. Please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. Okay, great to have you all over here. Good evening, Vinod. A very good evening, Vinod. So time and work considered as an easy topic and a scoring topic. So we have to score to the fullest over here. In tomorrow's session, I will cover the TSD and ratios, guys. In tomorrow's session, I will cover the TSD and ratios. So today I'm taking TW, guys, over the observation, time and work. Only one question is coming. Over one question is coming. And from TSD, time, speed, distance and ratios, we can expect, guys, which is tomorrow's topic. TSD and ratios, 2 questions are coming. Hello, Charlie. Good evening, Shrivani, Vinod, and everyone else. 20 men can finish a work in 30 days. They started working, but 4 men left after 10 days. In how many days the work would be completed? 20 men can finish in 30 days. This is your work. They started working, but 4 men left after 10 days. So till 10 days, 20 men are together. So what is important? What is important is, I'm good, Charlie, I'm good. Yeah. What is important is that till 10 days they are together. So what is work remaining? Take 20 common and 30 minus 10. 20 men, 20 days work remaining. 20 men, 20 days work remaining. Total work done, work remaining. 4 men left. So I think only 16 men are there. So this work would be done by 16 men. 4 4 just 16, 4 5 just 20, 4 4 just 16, 4 5 just 20. 25 more days are required. 25 more days are required. 25 more days. Yeah, 25 more days. So the work can be completed in 10 days together plus 25 days more. 10 days together plus 25 days more, 35. How can you do the error in time and work? Guys, how can you do the error in time and work? This is not a good sign. Harish and Mandhana, good evening. This is not acceptable, my dear. If you will lose the marks over here, how will it work? Good evening, Anupam. If you lose the marks over here, guys, how will it work? Be serious. Clear, guys? Have you identified your error? Okay. Perfect. Let's move on to the next question. Where is question number 2? Okay. Why it is not visible? Chalo, let's see it later. Why it is not visible? Don't lose easy marks, dear. I'm taking this easy topic just to make sure that you do error at none of the questions. Yeah. Otherwise, I would have not taken the time and work session. The only reason of taking the time and work session is what is the current scenario, what are the current questions, are you able to do them all of correctly or not? Because time and work means 100% accuracy. Time and work means 100% accuracy. A can do it in 25 days, B can do it in 20 days. Assume the work is 100. A efficiency 4, B efficiency 5. They started the work together, but B left after 4 days. Okay. So for 4 days they are together. For 4 days they are together. So their combined efficiency of 9 into 4, 36 is done by them. So 64 is remaining. 64 is remaining. Now, who has left? B has left. So this 64 would be done by A alone. 64 by A alone. What is the efficiency of A? 4. He will take 16 more days. Again, the game is about the total number of days. Again, the game is about asking the total number of days. Just by finding 16, 16 is not the answer. Just by finding 16, 16 is not the answer. 16 days alone plus 4 days together. 16 days alone and 4 days together. Total number of days are 20. 4 days initially together plus 16 alone, 20. If you do it by the X method, you will get directly answer. If you do it by the X method, you will directly get the answer. Like B is leaving after 4 days. So B is working for 4 days. And A never leaves. A never leaves. So A is working for complete X days. A never leaves. So A is working for complete X days. You will say, sir, 4x plus 20 is equal to 100. 4x is 80. So x is 20. Here you will get directly answer and you need not to add it. Got it? Both the points? Got it? Both the points, my dear? This is a different method and this is a different method. This is about individual method. Individual. Perfect. Well done, dear. Let's move on. These all are CGL 2021 questions. These all are CGL 2021 questions. Please quickly like and share, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to come for a long session. Tomorrow, guys, I'm going to come for a long session. Maybe 2 hours. Yeah, maybe 2 hours. So be ready for TSD and ratios with me. And in the weekends as well, your maths classes are going to run continuously. However, because of my unavailability, one more maths session, sir, is going to take your Saturdays and Sundays class. Okay. The only motive is that we are going to keep the promise of doing the complete things. Yeah. And he will take it in a very good manner. Okay. So please do attend the classes. A can complete 25% of the work in 15 days. He worked for 15 days. So he can do 25% of the work in 15 days and he worked for 15 days means 25% work completed. %75 is remaining. 75% is remaining, which we can do it in 30 days. So 75% of the work we can do it in 30 days. 75% is 3 by 4 of the work. B can do it in 30 days. So total work B can do it in 40 days. Total work B can do it in 40 days. Okay. And 25% work A can do it in 15 days. 25% is 1 by 4 of the work. So complete work A can do it in 60 days. Complete work A can do in 60 days. Assume the work as a LCM of 40 and 60. That is 120. A efficiency 2. B efficiency 3. A efficiency 2. B efficiency 3. In how many days together they can do the 50% of the work? What is 50% of 120? 60. Together. A efficiency 2, B efficiency 3. 12 days. Is it absolutely great? Well done, Anasha, Ashokan, Harish, Charlie, Mandhana. Yeah, why not? Why not Mandhana? For sure. Why not Mandhana? For sure. Is it absolutely perfect, dear? At least I will give you the logic. At least I will give you the logic. Next. This is looking easy. Well done. A little bit more shining is on the board, or it is fine. Just a bit. A and B can complete the work in 15 and 10 days. Assume the work 30, A efficiency 2, B efficiency 3. They started working together, but after 4 days, B have to leave. Okay, they started together. After 4 days, B have to leave. So they are working together for 4 days with the combined efficiency of 5 into 4. 20 work is already done. 10 is remaining. 20 work is already done. Hello, Prajwal. 20 work is already done. 10 is remaining. Now this 10 work is completed by A and C in 3 days. So 10 by 3 is the efficiency of A plus C. What is the efficiency of A? 2. So 10 by 3 is equal to 2 plus C. So C is 10 minus 6, 4 by 3. Efficiency of C is 4 by 3. Yes, Prajwal, I got to know this later on. I see your comment. Yeah, how is he? Okay. C is 4 by 3. If C works alone, in how many days he can do 40% of this work? 40% of 30 is 12. C alone. C is 4 by 3 efficient. So he will take 9 days. Not a bad one. A decent one question. A decent one question. CGL 2020. CGL 2020. Clear, guys? Perfect. Can I move on? Any doubts you want to ask me? Oh my God. A tank can be filled with what? 2 butters A and B together. Okay, why not? Very good. Okay. This is doable, Mandhana. This is doable. A plus B in 36. A plus B in 30. Then A alone working for 10. Over. I will do it. I will do it. Yeah. A plus B together in 36. A plus B work for 30. B was stopped after 30. Na? Then tank is filled in 40. So you can say A alone running for next 10 minutes. Take it over here. A plus B 6 is equal to A into 10. So A plus B over A efficiency is 5 by 3. A is 3, B is 2. Mandana, perfect. Okay, those who are not reading the question asked by her, it's not the solution of this one, okay? It's not the solution of this one. This is the solution of the one which is being asked by Mandana in the comment box. So, alone fill the tank in. So, this is your tank. A plus B into 36. B alone can fill it in how much minutes? A plus B 5. 5 into 36. B alone is 2. Okay. Next. A can do 1/5 of the work in 3 days. So he can do the complete work in 15 days. B efficiency is half of A. So he will take the double time. Work is 30. In how many days A and working together can do half of the work? Half of the work is 15. A and B together. He has tried to make it quite complicated, but eventually we nailed it just by the common sense. He has tried to make it quite complicated, but we nailed it with some very common things, okay? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. A man can do a work in 3 days. A woman can do the work in 4 days. A boy can do the work in 12 days. So man, woman, boy, same. No quantity different. One man, one boy, one woman. So they can do the work in 3, 4 and 12 days. So I'm assuming the work as 12. So man can do it in 3 days. So efficiency of 4. Woman can do it in 4 days. So efficiency of 3. And boy can do it in 12 days. So efficiency of 1. If you want to write, you can write 3, 4 and 12. Okay. So these are efficiencies. In how many boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the work in 1 day? So you want to complete the work in 1 day. So basically you want to do 12 job in a day. You want to do 12 job in a day. You want to do 12 job in a day. One man is there, so 4 efficiency. One woman is there, so 3 efficiency. And how many men? So how many men, guys? You will say, sir, I'm writing it in the equation. I'm writing it in the equation. One man, one woman, and how many? One boy has an efficiency of 1, so X boys. 1 into X is what? 5. So number of boys are 5. Number of boys required are 5. Number of boys required are 5. Correct? Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay. Some questions are not appearing. Why? Even they are not appearing over here. No? Okay. No issues. No issues. I will take up them in the next session. Shainteja, Vinod, Shrivani and all. Five men, 2 boys can complete the work in 30 days. As much work as 7 men and 10 boys can do it in 15 days. 15 to 30. 10 men plus 8 boys is equal to 7 men plus 10 boys. Take man on one side, 3 men is equal to 2 boys. So man over boy efficiency. Man over boy efficiency is 2:3. Here boy is shown as more efficient. Here boy is shown as more efficient. Okay. How many boys should join 40 men to do the same work in 4 days? Either you can take your work as this or you can take your work as this because both of them are same. Just a minute. Should I check the calculation? Yeah. Absolutely perfect now. Four boys. Okay. So 3 men is equal to 6 boys. So man over boy efficiency is 2:1. Man over boy efficiency is 2:1. Man over boy efficiency is 2:1. How many boys should join 40 men to complete the same work in 4 days? Let's suppose this is your work. 5 men plus 20 boys in 30 days. You want the same work to be done by 40 men and X boys. And the work should get finished in 4 days. Put their efficiencies. Man 2, boy 1. Man 2, boy 1. 10 plus 2, 12 into 30 is equal to 80 plus X into 4. 4 3 ja. 90 is equal to 80 plus X. X is 10. So not a bad time and work is coming, guys. Decent enough. Good enough time and work is coming. Yeah. I would say not easy, not tough, moderate time and work is coming for the past 2 years. Moderate time and work is coming for the past 2 years. Neither easy nor tough. Yeah, that is what you as believe as well. Is this is what you believe as well, my dear? Because these questions we were doing it for years and years. So at least don't lose any marks over here, guys. That is my only expectation from you. Don't lose any marks over here. Huh? Some questions, guys, if I write down by writing, okay. I think that would not be a bad thing because we ultimately want to cover more. We ultimately want to cover more, guys. So if I would be writing few questions, then also that would not be an issue. And I will take any unique question if it would be. I will take only the unique questions if they are present in my data. 2 men, 7 women can complete a work in 28 days, whereas 6 men and 16 women can do in 11 days. 56 men plus 28 into 7. 8 7 ja 56, 5, 14 plus 5, 196 women is equal to 66 men plus 176 women. So take it this side, 10 men is equal to, take it this side, 20 women. So 1 man is equal to 2 women. So 1 man is equal to 2 women. 1 man is equal to 2 women. In how many days 7 men can complete the work? So obviously we generally pick the work from here. 2 men plus 7 women in 28 days. This work can be done by 7 men in how many days? Guys, we always do it by efficiencies. We always do it by efficiency. Why not? For this question, do it by conversion. Why not this question, do it by conversion? And what is the conversion? Convert men into women or convert women into men? Yeah. Convert men into women or convert women into men? So 2 men is equal to 4 women plus 7 women into 28 upon 7 men is equal to 14 women. So 11 women into 28 upon 14 women. 22. Just for the change, guys. Just for the change. Otherwise, we can have put the efficiencies as well. Otherwise, we can have put the efficiency as well. Man over woman is 2 ratio. So put man as 2, woman as 1, man as 2. So 4 plus 7 into 28 divide by 14. 11 into 2, 22 days. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on, dear. Oh, this variety is coming a lot. This variety is coming a lot, guys. So 100% you can expect this question in your papers as well. 100% guys, you can expect these questions in your papers as well. I'm searching for some innovative question, time and work, if I can find out. Four men, six boys can do the work in 8 days. And 6 men and 4 boys can do the work in 7 days. 8 4 ja 32 men plus 8 6 ja 48 boys is equal to 7 6 ja 42 men plus 28 boys. Take it over this side. 10 men is equal to 20 boys. So 1 man is equal to 2 boys. So 1 man is equal to 2 boys. In how much time? In how much time? 4 men and 6 boys into 8 is your work. This work can be done by 5 men and 4 boys. I generally believe, and I believe as well, and it is correct as well, all of you are going for efficiencies only. So man over boy efficiency is 2:1. Man over boy efficiency is 2:1. Just put man as 2 and boy as 1. 8 plus 6, 14 into 8 upon 14. 8 days. 8 days. I generally believe, guys, and it is truth as well, that all of you will go for efficiencies as well. So just put the efficiencies of man and boy and you will get to your answer pretty quickly. And you will get to your answers pretty quickly, guys. Perfect. Absolutely bang on. Let's move on. Some different, some unique question, please do come so that my students will get the most of it. I'm requesting that some unique questions, please do come. Prajwal, why you add up and do the multiplications? Just simplify them. Just keep them in the factors. Just keep them in the factors. Don't simplify unless absolutely required. Unless required, don't simplify. There are 2 water taps in the tank which can fill an empty tank in 12 hours, 18 hours. Okay. So 2 tanks can fill it in 12 hours and 18 hours. Which can fill, yeah. Both are filling. Both are filling, dear. Both are filling. It is seen that there is a leakage point. It is seen that there is a leakage point at the bottom which can empty the completely filled tank. Okay. So C is a leakage which can fill the tank in 36 hours. So assume the tank has 36 liter. A efficiency positive 3, B efficiency positive 2, C efficiency -1. Both the water taps are opened at the same time to fill the empty tank and the leakage point was repaired after 1 hour. So guys, what is happening? Leakage was there from the beginning, but it got repaired after 1 hour. So can I say for the first hour, A plus B plus C all are running. A is 3, B is 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 into 1, 4 liter water filled only. In the first hour, 4 liter water filled only because A is also running, B is running, C is also running. A is running with the efficiency of +3, B is running with +2, C is running with -1. Now, after 1 hour, okay, you will close this pipe. Still 32 liter is needed to be filled. If 4 is filled, 32 is still to be filled. 32 is still to be filled. And now the leak is repaired. So A plus B will fill it. So 32 by the efficiency of A plus B 5 will take 6 2 by 5 hour. Multiply by 60. 6 hour 24 minutes. 6 hour 24 minutes more after this 1 hour. So the total time taken is this initial 1 hour of together, and 6 hour 24 minutes this. So 7 hour 24 minutes is the answer. Have you got it, guys? Have you got it? Have you got it? So a decent one. We can call it as a decent one, CGL 2020. So C was only working in the first hour. So in the first hour, 4 liter water filled. Then 32 is still needed to be filled. After you close the C, then only A plus B would be running. A plus B has a together efficiency of 3 plus 2, 5. So they will take 5, 2 by 5 hour. Convert 2 by 5 into minutes, multiply by 60. 6 hour 24 minutes more. 6 hour 25 minutes more after the first hour. So total time taken is 7 hour 24 minutes. It was a good one. Next. Oh, not very hi-fi, pretty easily doable. A can finish a work in 16 days. B can finish in 12 days. Assume the work as 48. A efficiency 3, B efficiency 4. They work together for 4 days. So A plus B is 7 into 4. 28 work is already done. 20 is remaining. 28 work is already done. 20 is remaining. Then A left. So B is doing this remaining work. We know the efficiency of B as well. He will take 5 more days. Okay, he will take 5 more days. For how many total number of days did we work to finish? Acha, dekho, what they are doing, guys, they are innovating a little bit. They are innovating a little while asking the question. Now they have asked this year that for how many days B was working total. So you will say, sir, individually it was working for 5 hours and together with A it was working for 4 hours. Number of days, whatever. So their innovation is in this part now, that individually it is working for 5 days and 4 days together with A. So B is working for 5 days and 4 days together with A, 9 days. We can do it by individual dealing as well. How? A worked for only 4 days. And B worked for complete X days. A worked for only 4 days individually and B worked, let's suppose, for total X days. So 3 4 are 12 plus 4x is equal to 48. 4x is 36, x is 9. So whenever anyone asks the total number of days asked, it generally becomes a better one. Whenever someone asks you for how many days A work in total, for how many days B work in total, generally this way of approach becomes the good one. Got it? Whenever the question asks for how many days total A worked, for how many days total V worked, this generally becomes a better approach. Wages question. Sameer, Puneet can complete the work in 10 and 15 days. The work is assigned for 4,500. After working together for 3 days, Sameer involved Ashok as well. And the work is completed in total 5 days. What would be the amount should be paid to Ashok? What should be the amount paid to Ashok? Sameer can complete in 10 days. Puneet can do it in 20, 15 days, whatever it is. Assume the work is 30. Sameer efficiency 3, Puneet efficiency 2. After together working for 3 days. After together working for 3 days. So Sameer and Puneet in 3 days will do 5 into 3, 15 work. 5 into 3, 15 work, my dear. Sameer and Puneet in these 3 days will do 15 work. Now they have involved, what do you say, Ashok. And the work is getting completed in 2 days. So can I say 3 days we have already worked? 3 days we have already worked. Total work is getting finished in 5 days. So these 3 individuals, Ashok, Puneet, Sameer, in additional 2 days are finishing this. If 3 days, guys, okay, just make me a correction over here. Question is absolutely correct, but let's take a better way of writing. 15 is done, 15 is remaining. Now this 15 remaining is done by Sameer plus Puneet plus Ashok in 2 more days. This is my way of saying. Because in this manner, this work will finish in 5 days. In this manner, the work will finish in 5 days. We know the efficiencies of Sameer and Puneet, 3 and 2, 5. 5 plus Ashok into 2 is 15. Okay. So 10 plus 2 Ashok is 15. But I am dealing it in a different manner. Chalo, let me complete this as well. Let me complete this as well, guys. But then I will deal it in a complete manner. Then I will deal it in a different manner when I give you the next solution. Why, guys, I am saying this? Because you know the wages are paid. Wages are paid in the efficiency, in the ratio of the work. Wages are paid in the ratio of the work. Wages are paid in the ratio of the work, not in the ratio of the efficiency. So let me take a more smarter way from here. Let me take a great or a smarter way from here. Guys, just see with me. If Sameer and Puneet will work for 5 days, how much work they will do? Sameer efficiency 3, Puneet 2. So 5 into 5. they will do only 25 work. Just see this. Because the total work is getting finished in 5 days. So if these two only will work, then they will be able to do only 25 work. This means Ashok has done the remaining 5 work. Because efficiencies were not that important to us. Wages are distributed in the ratio of the work. Wages are distributed in the ratio of the work. So if they can do 5 jobs, then the remaining work 5 is done by Ashok. We have never calculated the efficiency of Ashok. We have directly calculated what is the work done by him. So Ashok work is 5 and total work is 30. So he should be getting 1 by 6 of the total. He should be getting 1 by 6 of the total. So 1 by 6 of the total is, look at this way. Look at this way. Just don't go for this efficiency way. Don't go for this efficiency way. Just improvise like that. Improvise like that. Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear what I'm saying? If, since the work is getting completed in 5 days, Sameer and Puneet in 5 days can only do 25 work. But I have to do 30 work. This means Ashok has done the remaining 5 work. This means Ashok has done the remaining 5 work. Wages are distributed in the ratio of the work. Wages are distributed in the ratio of the work. So Ashok has done 5 and total is 30. So 5 by 30 is 1 by 6. Ashok should be getting 1 by 6 of total. Ashok should be getting 1 by 6 of the total. Let's move on. So guys, do you finding something new in the last 2 years? Guys, are you feeling something new in the last 2 years? I think only the way of the concept is same, only the way of asking has changed. What do you say, guys? The concept they are asking is the same, but just no, yeah, efficiency of Ashok is 2.5 only, but I've directly calculated Prajwal the work done by him. I directly calculated the work done by him, 2.5 into 2, because he was working for 2 days, 4th and 5th. X can do a work in 46 days, Y can do it in 92 days, Z can do it in 23 days. I think 92 is the common multiple. So X efficiency is 2, Y efficiency is 1, Z efficiency is 4. X started the work, Y joined after 7 days, Z joined them after 8 days from the beginning. X way is best, or you are planning something else? I think X way is best. So X started the work, so X is working for complete X days. Y joined him after 7 days, so Y is working for X minus 7 days. And Z joined after 8 days from the beginning, so Z is working for X minus 8 days. Yeah, that is cool, na? If someone is joining after 7 days, means he has worked for X minus 7 days. Because I have assumed that the total number of days for which A worked is X. So 2x plus 1 into X minus 7 plus 4 into X minus 8 is equal to 92. 2x plus X minus 7 plus 4x minus 32 is equal to 92. 3 plus 4, 7x. 7x minus 39 is equal to 92. 7x is 131, x is, what is this? Okay, they are asking for y, na? So first calculate for x. 7 1 ja 7, 51, 7 7 ja 49, 2 by 5, 2 by 17, 2 by 7. So he is working for 17, 2 by 7, x. For how many days y work? Y work for x minus 7. 17, 2 by 7 minus 7. Guys, this is greater than 17, this is 7. Yeah, this is greater than 17 and this is 7. So 10, 2 by 7, but why it is not in the options? Okay. Just a minute. What? Have I done some error? Just a minute. Three plus 4, 7x minus 39 is equal to 92. 131. X is 61. 61, 7 8 ja 56, 7 8 ja 56. After 56, 5 by 7, 18 5 by 7. 18 5 by 7 minus 7 is 11 5 by 7. Okay. Yeah. 11 5 by 7 is the correct answer. Okay. 11 5 by 7 is the correct answer. 11 5 by 7 is the correct answer. 18 minus 7 is 11. 18 minus 7 is 11 and 5 by 7 as it is. And 5 by 7 as it is. Because a mixed fraction also equal to 18 plus 5 by 7 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. 11 plus 5 by 7 is 11 5 by 7. Next is this promotion, guys. I hope that those who want to do the preparation with us, the complete CHSL SAFALTA batch is being launched. These are the features inside it, and it is available for a very less price. And this is going to be a complete English medium batch. The bilingual batch is also there. The English medium batch is also there. So both kinds of batches are available. What you have to do, guys, its demos are also running, but they are running on the app. Yeah, its demos are also running. They are running on the app. So please do download the app and do the demos because they are free of cost. Even I have taken 3 classes over it and every subject classes are running over there. So do start attending the demos. This is our team. Sanjay sir, Ankit sir, Juhi ma'am, Deepmani sir, Shashank sir. Okay, these all are there. And these are our offerings, guys. Wherever bilingual is written, you can take them as English as well, because in the English medium batch, everything is going to be in the English. This is the way to do the demo classes. When you visit the SSC segment, the paid course is there. SSC CHSL SAFALTA batch is there. Apply the code SSC50 and you can do the payment. You can join the batch. However, for doing demo as well, you can visit the classes and start attending the demos Current affairs timing, history timing, mathematics timing 3 to 4, reasoning timing, science timing, English timing. So these classes are running. Guys. Yeah, in the CHSL, the demo classes have already started. Demo classes have already started on the app. Yeah, on the app. Demo classes have already started on the app. I have taken the 3 demos as of now. So I will take few more demos. If you have not attended them, guys, then please do attend them who want to do the complete dedicated CHSL preparation with us. Nothing more is there. Can we retrieve this data? Okay. Can we retrieve this data? No. Then just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just hold on. I'm not finishing the class as of now. I'm not finishing the class as of now, guys. However, I can finish, but I'm not trying to finish it early because I want to take that question, guys, which is what we were doing that day. Just a moment, just a moment. Chalo, let's keep it till over here only, guys. Let's keep it till over here only. Whatever I will find it more useful from time and work, I will add it up in the next sessions. Is it okay? Whatever I will find it more useful from the time and work, I will add it up in the next session. Okay. So we missed these two questions. One question was this, another is this. So no issues, guys. Whatever I will feel it important from over here, I will add it up in the next tomorrow's session. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time and see you soon. If you like the session, please do not forget to press the like button as well. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you. Tomorrow, there might be a 2-hour class in which I'm going to take up all the ratios and time, speed, distance question asked in the past 2-3 years. Okay. Tomorrow, guys, I'm going to take a session based on ratios and time, speed, distance. Maybe a 2-hour session. All questions asked unique, yeah, all different questions asked in the last 2 years, 2021, 2020, and you can say 2019 as well. Okay, so bye bye, take care of yourself, have a great time, see you.